Today's video, I'm going to explain to you and show you how to basically install your light switch. I put a new plug on this, a video on that, and I also got a video on installing this shaft into your new switch. So first thing you want to do, if you got the Ford F-150, if you're doing this on a Mustang, I got a video on that too. If you need to know, just leave a comment in the description and I get you the link. But you want to undo this cover here, and this cover pretty much, if you can see, snaps on, and most of the clips on this old guy's been broke. Right here, it was broke when I got the truck. Here and here, you got to take its cover off, and the bolts behind this you need to unbolt, and then a lot of it pops off. But there are some bolts that holds this on, so don't try to just pop it off. You do got to remove this. This was done like that when I got the truck, so I just scooted it out of the way, and we'll be looking for one of these at a junkyard. So once you get that, you can go ahead and take your light switch and just plug it in. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to need both hands. And hi, kitty. This is pretty much how it looks with the new plug and plugged in. Now you got two bolts on your dash. You will want to bolt this up. Once you get your bolts tight, if you did go ahead and install your knob, it kind of just pulls off, especially on these cheap aftermarket ones. So that's good to know. You have to pull this off or wait to put your shaft in before you install your cover. But everything works on our guy here. That's a good thing. Don't know about the dash lights. It's daytime and it's hard to tell anything. So I hope you enjoyed this short how-to video. Found it helpful. If you did, drop a comment, drop me a like, and check my channel out for more videos on stuff like this and this F-350. That's what we've been pretty much we doing. Check it out and leave some ideas for it and stuff, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.